Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I have a video for you. It's not really a DIY, but more of an idea that I had come across on Pinterest. We finally got some shelves put up in the new office, and I wanted to put some of my books on the shelf above my computer. However, finding bookends seems to be a bit of a challenge. For ones that I like, they can be super expensive, and I just cannot see myself spending that much money on bookends. I have also seen a lot of Dollar Tree DIYs with people making them out of the foam board and animal toys, and they look great. However, I don't feel like they would be heavy enough, especially for the books that I want to put on my shelf. But then I came across these ideas to use flower vases. You can fill them with rocks and make them as heavy as you need to and use faux flowers, and you can get all of those supplies from Dollar Tree. At first I was afraid they weren't going to be heavy enough, but they turned out to be perfect, and I didn't have to fill them as much as I thought I'd have to. All in all, I think they look really great. They're simple, they're elegant, though I might replace one with like a large rock if I can find one to paint, or some other heavy figurine. But like I said, this isn't really a DIY so much because it's very simple, it's just vases. I just wanted to share with you guys because I thought it was really cute and an easy way to decorate. Thanks for watching this super short video, and I will catch you in the next one. See ya!